welcome back to our English class. In our English class today we are going to learn combination of letters. Already we learned letters capital A small a to capital J small j. Today we are going to learn letters capital K small k, capital L small l. Okay children, look at the board. First we write the letters A to J. Capital A, small a. Next which letter comes? Capital B, small b. Next, capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. C after which letters comes, ma? Very good. Capital D, small d. D after? Yes. Capital E, small e. E after which letter comes? Capital F, small f. F after which letter comes? Very good. Capital G, small g. G after? H. Capital H, small h. Very good. H after? Capital I, small I. I after which letter comes? J. Capital J, small j. Already we learned capital A small a to capital J small j. Today we are going to learn letters. Look at here. Capital K. K for kite. Capital K, small k. K for king. Small k. Capital K, small k. K after which letter comes? L. Capital L. L for lion. Small l. Small l. Capital L, small l. Today which letters we learn? Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Okay, now open your workbooks, English workbooks, ma. Look at here. Which letters are these? Capital K, small k. Capital K, small k. K for kite. Look at here. K for kite. K for key. K for key. K for king. K for king. K for kettle. K for kettle. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for kitten. K for kitten. Repeat one more time children, all the words. K for kite. K for kite. K for key. K for key. K for king. K for king. K for kettle. K for kettle. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for kitten. Okay. Next, move on to next page. Look at here. Color the kite and draw a tail to the kite. Look at here. First what you have to do, you have to color the kite. And next, look at here. Here you have to draw a tail like this. Okay. Draw a tail. And next look at here. Capital K, small k. Capital K, small k. Trace over the letter capital K, small k. You have to trace the letter capital K here. Read and trace the letter capital K. Like that you have to read and trace the letter. And here look at here. Here you have to trace the letter small k. Small k, small k. Like that you have to trace the letter on the dots. And turn next page. K after which letter comes? Yes. Capital L, small l. Which letter comes? Capital L, small l. Okay. Look here. L for leaf. L for leaf. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for ladder. L for ladder. L for lamp. L for lamp. L for letter. L for letter. L for lion. L for lion. Okay, one more time repeat the words. L for leaf. L for leaf. L for lemon. Look at here. L for lemon. L for ladder. L for ladder. L for lamp. L for lamp. L for letter. L for letter. L for lion. L for lion. And look at here. Write letter L words on the envelope. Here envelope are given. What you have to do? You have to write the words, L words. What are the L words? Here given ma. Leaf, lemon, ladder, your wish. You have to write, look at here, L-A-M-P, lamp. Here you have to write L-A-M-P, lamp. Okay? And here L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. Here you have to write L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. And here L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Okay? And next, capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. Trace over the letter capital L, small l. Look at here. Here you have to trace the letter L on the dots. Capital L, L for lemon, L for ladder, L for leaf, L for lamp. Like that you have to read and write the letter capital letter L. Okay? And next here you have to trace the letter small l, small l, small l. Like that you have to trace the letter L on dots. Okay? This is your today's homework mark. You have to write the combination of letters in your 4-rule notebook. Capital A, small a to capital L, small l. This is our today's class. I will meet in next class. Bye.